organic chemistry, and the topic we have it is a vital force theory. So let's have a look at what does mean by the vital force theory. First of all, we have the introduction about the scientist who just put forward that vital force theory. He, he was a Swedish chemist. Basically, he was a Swedish chemist. His name was Berzelius, and in the year 1815 1815 he put forward the theory. That theory is named as vital force theory. So what he just put forward the vital force theory. Basically, the early scientists who just defined the organic compounds, early scientists just defined the organic compounds, like all the compounds that we just gain from the or derived from the living things. These compounds are known as organic compounds. And from the two type of living things, that is plants, as well as we have from the animals. So it was the belief of the all early scientists. They defined the organic compounds, the compound that we gain from the living things like plants and as well as animals. So a Swedish chemist whose name was Berzelius in 1815, he put forward the vital force theory. According to this theory, the vital forces are necessary for the, he just said that the vital force or the forces are necessary for the synthesis of the organic compounds. So, for the synthesis of the organic compounds, we need the vital forces, and these forces are necessary for their synthesis. So, this was basically the introduction about the vital force theory. So, in terms or in the simple meanings, the vital force theory explained that we just gain all the organic compounds from the living things and all the inorganic compounds from non-living things. So basically this was the vital force theory. For the organic compound synthesis, we must have their origin from the living things. Origin from the living things must there be a vital force behind that or by the nature. On the other hand, all the inorganic compounds are obtained from the non-living things. Like organic compounds, they contain carbon and hydrogen necessarily. All the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen are known as organic compounds, and the vital force theory just tells us that they might just or they can be gained from the living things, and this theory is known as vital force theory. So the organic chemistry or the organic compounds are very important, and they have been extensively used in our daily life. And what type of uses we have in our daily life? Like we have the use as a food for it to eat, or the clothes we wear, and the natural gas that we burn for the cooking purpose or we use in the industry. All these are the organic compounds. So they have a lot of applications in our daily life, the organic compounds. So basically, vital force theory just tells us that organic compounds are obtained from the living things. And for their manufacturing or for their synthesis, we need some type of vital force. Like if we are gonna to have the proteins, we can be only gain it from the living things. So this was the basically concept of Berzelius, and he put forward the theory in 1815. That theory is known as vital force theory, that we can gain only organic compounds from the living things, or vital force is necessary for their synthesis. But later on that theory just was ruled out because another scientist just prepared the organic compound from inorganic compound. So that's why that theory just gone rule out that the vital force theory or the vital force is not necessary for the synthesis of the organic compound. So basically this was a simple concept that was proposed by Berzelius in 1815. I hope you guys understand that what does mean by vital force theory. I'm going to repeat it that all the organic compounds must be obtained from the living things, and for their synthesis we need some type of vital forces. So that was a vital force theory.